So I just started Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Okay.
So like I'm pretty sure like I had a fall, and then from there,
Okay.
that part of my back's been hurting.
So left upper back area?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's definitely slightly more swollen than the right. Any pain when I press in these areas, or you're okay?
No.
It's okay. It's definitely very tender though. Go ahead. And back. You okay?
Yeah.
Again. And back. One more. Perfect. One more on this side. Good. Nice and crunchy. Good. How's it been? Good. Back. Good. Good. Oh, relax that. You felt it all the way now?
Yeah.
Good. I heard that one.
Yeah.
It's a really loud one. How did that feel?
That felt great.
Good. Good.
Yeah, I feel good. I feel better.
Good. Good.
Yeah.